A lot of us are entertaining guests this time of year, or maybe you're the guest and people are asking you if you're hungry or do you want to eat. This is where you're going to see the difference between Fia and Mana'o. Both of them mean to want, but Fia is usually followed immediately by an action word. In this case, it's going to be ai or eat. Eke fia ai, ioe fia ai, or oke fia ai. Whereas Mana'o is a want or a desire of something. You send your desire to the kokolaisa, to the panipopo, to the wahoo and the pisatero. So the phrase structure is going to be slightly different. We send our desire to the food, and that's why we use the preposition e to introduce the location. In this case, it's food, whatever the food is that we want. Oke mana'o ile wahoo. Oke mana'o ise fasikalo. Oke mana'o ile wahoo mase fasikalo fa'amolemole. Don't forget your fa'amolemole and the fa'afitai. That's the difference between Fia and Mana'o. So, manuila ka sanga fo yao ko uma, rofaku.